The digital asset world is buzzing with excitement, a palpable energy sweeping through the markets. Traders are on high alert, glued to their screens, as the crypto landscape undergoes a significant shift. Today, July 18, 2025, a date that will likely be etched in the annals of cryptocurrency history. XRP has shattered its previous all-time high, a monumental achievement that has sent shockwaves of optimism throughout the digital asset community. The charts are exploding with upward momentum, surging to $3.52, a price point that many thought was unattainable just months ago. The digital ticker flashes, confirming the new record. Well above the $3.40 record from January 2018, this previous high had been a stubborn ceiling, a psychological barrier that XRP struggled to overcome for years. This isn't just a new number. It's a testament to the resilience and potential of XRP. It's the result of years of development, tireless innovation, and a dedicated community that never lost faith. Legal battles, which have cast a long shadow over XRP's journey, are finally receding into the background, and a regulatory shift now favoring innovation in the U.S., creating a more welcoming environment for digital assets. This shift has been crucial in unlocking XRP's potential. For long-term holders, those who weathered the storms and held on to their XRP through thick and thin, this is vindication after years of volatility and uncertainty. Their patience has been rewarded in spectacular fashion. Unlike the retail-driven mania of 2017 to 2018, which was fueled by hype and speculation, today's rally is grounded in real regulatory progress, tangible advancements in the legal and policy landscape. Key legislation, carefully crafted to provide a clear framework for digital assets and government signals indicating a willingness to embrace innovation, have finally provided the clarity the industry has craved. This clarity has unlocked a new wave of investment and adoption. This new high reflects growing confidence, a renewed sense of optimism that is permeating the market. From institutional investors, who are now allocating significant capital to digital assets, who now see a clear path forward, a well-defined roadmap for the future of digital assets. XRP's breakthrough is a bellwether, a leading indicator of what's to come for the broader market. For the entire crypto market, signaling a new era of growth and stability, signaling maturity and sustainable growth, a departure from the boom and bust cycles of the past. When a major asset like XRP breaks new ground, achieving a milestone that many thought impossible, it sends a ripple effect across the industry, inspiring confidence and driving further investment. The market is responding to positive regulatory news, embracing the new landscape with enthusiasm, with real, lasting momentum, suggesting that this rally is not just a fleeting surge, but a sign of sustained growth. This could be remembered as the turning point, the moment when digital assets truly came of age. When digital assets began to fulfill their promise under clear, supportive legal frameworks, ushering in a new era of legitimacy and widespread adoption. To understand XRP's significance, you need to know what sets it apart. XRP is the native asset of the XRP ledger, a decentralized, open-source blockchain built for speed and efficiency. Unlike Bitcoin, XRP was designed for global payments, enabling fast, low-cost cross-border transactions. Its consensus protocol allows for 1,500 transactions per second, far more efficient and eco-friendly than proof-of-work systems. Ripple, the company, uses XRP to build payment solutions for banks and financial institutions, driving real-world adoption. XRP's focus is solving the friction of global payments, not just being a store of value. Its journey has been about proving utility and gaining acceptance in traditional finance. The recent surge in regulatory clarity show that vision is closer to reality than ever. XRP's price jumped an impressive 14%. This surge represents a significant shift in market sentiment, capturing the attention of traders and investors alike. The digital currency has demonstrated remarkable momentum, signaling a potential new chapter for its trajectory. In just 24 hours, a single day of trading, breaking a psychological barrier that stood firm for over 7 long years. This wasn't just a minor price increase, it was a symbolic victory, a testament to the resilience and potential of XRP. This wasn't a minor fluctuation, it wasn't just a blip on the radar. It was a decisive breakout, a clear indication of strong buying pressure and renewed confidence in the asset. This surge was fueled by major news emerging from Washington, D.C., suggesting a potential shift in the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies. With the price reaching $3.52, a level not seen in years, XRP's market capitalization soared past the impressive $200 billion mark for the first time, solidifying its position as a major player in the digital asset space. This places XRP among the world's top assets, competing with established financial instruments and attracting significant attention, signaling serious interest and validation from large-scale investors, including institutional players who are increasingly recognizing the potential of digital assets. Trading volume exploded, reaching levels rarely seen before, confirming that the rally was broad-based and well-supported across the market, indicating genuine enthusiasm and participation. High volume during a price surge is a classic bullish sign, a key indicator for technical analysts, showing strong conviction among traders and widespread participation from both retail and institutional investors. The numbers, price, market capitalization, and trading volume paint a compelling picture of a market that is primed and ready for further growth and expansion. This was a tidal wave of optimism, a powerful surge of positive sentiment, not just a fleeting ripple. The market has been patiently waiting for a green light, a clear signal of opportunity, and now it's finally here, illuminating the path forward. The catalyst for XRP's surge? Breaking news from the White House. President Trump is reportedly signing an executive order allowing retirement account custodians to hold and manage cryptocurrencies. This is a game-changer. Trillions in retirement assets could soon access digital assets like XRP. The move signals government recognition of crypto as a legitimate asset class for long-term investment. It's a strategic push to make the U.S. a global leader in financial innovation. The news removes a major psychological barrier for mainstream adoption. For XRP, designed for efficiency and enterprise use, this opens the door to conservative retirement fund managers. The prospect of institutional retirement products, including XRP, has fueled the buying frenzy. This executive order is rewriting the rules between traditional finance and digital assets. Allowing crypto in 401(k)s and IRAs is a pivotal step toward mainstream adoption. Retirement accounts are the bedrock of American financial planning, representing vast untapped capital. The executive order won't force crypto investments, but it gives individuals more control and options. Including crypto alongside stocks and bonds lends legitimacy and encourages education and thoughtful discussion. This move democratizes access to digital assets, making them more accessible and less intimidating. Infrastructure for custody, reporting, and education will need to grow, embedding crypto deeper into the financial system. Integrating crypto into retirement funds transforms it from a niche interest to a household financial topic. Congress is also moving fast, passing the Genius Act to promote innovation in blockchain and AI. The act aims to keep talent and capital in the U.S. by providing regulatory clarity and a national strategy. For years, crypto projects fled overseas due to uncertainty. Now, the U.S. is signaling it wants to lead. The Genius Act shifts the focus from risk to opportunity, supporting economic growth and job creation. It mandates a coordinated national strategy, giving companies like Ripple a stable environment to innovate. This legislative support is a powerful tailwind for real-world blockchain solutions. The message is clear. The U.S. is open for blockchain business, fueling optimism across the market. The Clarity Act, recently passed by the House, tackles the long-standing question, is a digital asset a security? It proposes clear criteria for when tokens are considered securities and when they're not, based on decentralization and network maturity. This legal clarity is crucial for projects like XRP, which have faced years of regulatory limbo. The Act provides a roadmap for reclassifying tokens as utilities once networks are functional and decentralized. This reduces risk for creators, exchanges, and investors, replacing uncertainty with clear rules. The market's renewed confidence is driven by the removal of this systemic risk. If it becomes law, the Clarity Act could be the single most important factor in attracting institutional capital and ensuring sustainable growth. Thoughtful regulation is essential for crypto's future. The Wild West days brought excitement, but also scams and volatility that kept mainstream investors away. Clear rules build trust, protect investors, and attract institutional capital. The Genius and Clarity Acts, plus the executive order, provide the stable ground institutions need. Regulation fosters responsible innovation, letting developers build with confidence. Guardrails encourage real-world use cases and discourage speculation and fraud. The result, a healthier, more valuable ecosystem for everyone. Regulation isn't the enemy, it's the foundation for crypto's next chapter. With XRP showing impressive resilience and reaching new highs, signaling renewed investor confidence and market momentum. And with increasing U.S. regulatory support, which is crucial for fostering a compliant and secure digital asset ecosystem, we're seeing a shift in perception and acceptance. The convergence of these factors means the future for digital assets looks brighter and more promising than ever before. The potential for growth and innovation is truly exciting. The combination of executive and legislative action, working in tandem to create a clear and supportive framework, is creating a uniquely favorable environment for growth, attracting investment, and fostering innovation within the digital asset space. For XRP, legal clarity is paramount. This clarity will undoubtedly accelerate adoption for cross-border payments, streamlining international transactions, and reducing friction in the global financial system. It will also enhance on-demand liquidity, making XRP a more attractive and efficient solution for businesses and individuals alike. The next crucial step is turning these positive policy signals into practical realities, translating intentions into tangible actions that benefit the entire ecosystem. This involves passing comprehensive laws, setting clear and consistent rules, which are essential for building trust and confidence in the market. Ultimately, the goal is integrating crypto seamlessly into the existing financial infrastructure, bridging the gap between traditional finance and the digital asset world. Looking ahead, we can expect a significant surge in regulated investment products, offering investors more secure and accessible ways to participate in the crypto market. This will lead to broader adoption by both retail investors and large institutions, further legitimizing and mainstreaming digital assets. As the market matures, the focus will gradually shift away from pure speculation towards projects that demonstrate real-world utility and are built on strong, sustainable fundamentals. July 18, 2025, may very well be remembered as the pivotal day, the day the U.S. made a decisive choice to fully embrace digital asset innovation, solidifying its position as a leader in the global digital economy. The foundation is now firmly set. The groundwork has been laid for a new era of finance. Now the industry has the opportunity to build a more efficient, inclusive, and truly innovative financial system that benefits everyone.